Good morning everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. So it's the morning and as you can see our Christmas tree is still standing, but it's kind of leaning a little bit, which makes me a little nervous, but it's leaning towards the wall, so I think that's maybe what's keeping it up. So we're going to go ahead and try to decorate this again. So day 2, take 2 on the Christmas tree decorating. Okay, our tree didn't fall down. Yes.
Yep.
Yes. Alright, we're getting ready to put the topper on. So this is our Santa. We've had this guy since our first Christmas together. We call him our drunk Santa because he doesn't sit up straight.
Oh, he's gonna sit up
Let's
straight.
see, is he straight or is he too much eggnog again? Well, his foot's bent.
Ta-da!
A little too much eggnog again this year. Come on, Santa.
Good enough.
Ta-da! Our tree.
Yep. Tree.
So we like to collect ornaments when we travel. So I'm going to show you a couple. So this one, my mom came to visit me when I lived in when we lived in Texas, and we went to Dealey Plaza and hung around Dallas for a little bit. This one is from Verona. My friend May and I, we went there and we went to, do you guys remember that movie, Letters to Juliet? Where she wrote a letter to Juliet? We actually did that. We went to Casa de Julieta and left a letter for her, but that was years ago and I still have not gotten a reply, so I think she may be a little backed up on letters. What else? Oh, this one I got in Chicago. Oh no, it's broken. That's sad. Well, I went to Chicago to go visit my little sister for her birthday because she was stationed at Great Lakes. And we went there, and this is at the top of the sky deck, that building. And yeah, this was my very first time taking leave to where I didn't go home, and I felt so grown up that I was getting on a plane to go visit my little sister, and we were going to spend time together in a different city. This one is Mike and I, our first half marathon. We did the Avengers half marathon at Disneyland, so that's where this ornament's from. This one, he came out to Italy to visit me for our first year anniversary, and we went to Venice. So we got this one in Venice, and we actually got his parents a matching ornament, so they have one for their tree. What else? This one is from Florence. And this was a really fun trip. My friend JP and I went. This is when I was getting ready to leave Italy, and one of my things I wanted to do was drive those really old Fiats. And so we went there and we got to drive around Florence in those like 1950s Fiats, and it was a lot of fun. This is one of Mike's ornaments. This is when he went to San Francisco. And I think they spent, what, St. Patrick's Day? St. Patrick's Day with some friends in San Francisco. What else? This guy is from the Johnson Space Center. As you can see, when I came home from my deployment, we did a road trip through Texas, and this is one of our stops. Let's see what else. Busch Gardens from when I went to visit my little sister in Virginia. This one is from Budapest. I did an ITT tour with one of my friends. Oh, so funny story about this one. This says, today I marry my best friend and our wedding date on it. This was supposed to be a ring dish for our wedding for our nephew Ty to carry because he was the ring bearer, but he was really shy. And his dad had to carry him down the aisle. So this never got used for that purpose, but we repurposed it and turned it into an ornament. Williamsburg. So this was Mike and I, our first Christmas together. We went to Williamsburg with my mom, and that's from there. What else? Yep. Oh, here you go. This one is from the Texas State Capitol. This is part of our road trip. We met some friends in Austin and spent 4 days in Austin, and we went to the Capitol, which is really awesome. And we just found out that this lights up. Ta-da! So pretty. Let's see. Oh, Amsterdam. So when I was in Italy, my friend was stationed out in Belgium, and we went to Amsterdam for New Year's, which was crazy and a lot of fun. So that's where this is from. What's this one? Oh, the Air Force Museum. We did the Air Force half marathon. So this is from that. Our little penguin family. So it originally started as this was Mike, this was me, right here. Oh great, now the penguin. Okay, and this was me. This is when it was just us two. Then we got Pepper. So Pepper was this little guy. And then Morton came into our family, so this became Morton. And we're gonna have to go to Pier 1 and get one for Peanut, because she doesn't have her little people yet. This is actually our first Christmas with her, so that's really exciting. What else? Oh, okay, this one. This is the Iolani Palace. I went to go visit my little sister when she was stationed at Pearl Harbor. So, yep, the Iolani Palace. That's where that's from. Another ornament I got when I went to visit her was we went to the Dole Plantation. So I got this little guy. And we went swimming with dolphins, so I got a dolphin ornament, but I'm not sure where that is on this tree. And search begins. Well, he's in here somewhere. But yeah, so that's from my Hawaii trip. Oh, and I also went to the USS Arizona, and this isn't an ornament, this was like a souvenir, but we turned it into an ornament. Belgium, from when I went to visit my friends. I got this one in Munich when I went to the Christmas market with my friend May and her husband. It was really funny because the McRib was back, but the McDonald's in Italy didn't sell the McRib. So when we got to Munich and he saw that the McDonald's there had it, he went and ate a McRib sandwich and then bought some to take back with us to Italy. I was like, Nate, it's not that serious, but I guess he loves his McRibs. Alright, these are from Salzburg. We went to the Kris Kringle Christmas market. And this is my first European Christmas market. If you guys ever get the chance to travel to Europe during Christmas, go to the Christmas markets because they are amazing. That's the one thing that I really miss about my time in Italy was the Christmas markets. But yeah, so I got this ornament and this as well. And I actually bought my mom and my two sisters the same ornament, so we have the same ornament on our tree. I figured since we can't always be together for Christmas, this is kind of like a way to connect us. This one I got when I was deployed to Kuwait. It's a really heavy ornament. My pretzel. So I went to Germany and got a pretzel ornament because Germany has the best pretzels, and I also got this guy. And there's two more little things like this. I have like a nutcracker and another guy holding a pretzel. Yeah, but this one got smashed when we PCS, so I had to glue it together. It's a really sad ornament, but it's still there. Oh, Mike and I also went to Rome for our 1-year anniversary, so that's where this is from, and that was a really fun trip. And yeah. Oh, this one down here. So we did the Princess Half Marathon this year, and we're gonna put our picture of us at the finish line in this one. I still have to do that. Let's see what else. Another Budapest ornament. This is a Christmas ornament from my husband's squadron holiday party 2 years ago, because we were here for Christmas last year. Oh, another Germany ornament. Let's see. Oh, right here. Bought this one in Slovenia. Oh, hi Morton. Okay, Morton's like, Mom, enough with the tree. Alright, sit. You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? Do you like our tree? Just don't knock it over, please. Hi, bud. Good boy. Huh? We're in eastern Nebraska?
Yes, here.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. There's a blizzard warning. Wait, when's the blizzard warning? Now?
Probably for tonight. Let's see here. It says... blizzard conditions likely tonight and Sunday. A strong winter storm will bring widespread snow to eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa tonight and Sunday morning. The heaviest snows are expected in southeast Nebraska, where 4 to 7 inches of snow could fall, with lesser amounts as you head northeast. Strong wind, the snow combined with winds gusting to 40 miles an hour will create whiteout conditions for Sunday morning. Blizzard warning in effect from 2 a.m. to 6 p.m. So tonight.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
A blizzard!
Yeah.
Okay, well, I don't know if you guys could tell. There's a blizzard warning. How many inches?
4 to 7.
4 to 7 inches of snow. Uh-oh. What do you think of this, Peanut? Do you have an opinion on the matter? I'm not made for Midwest winter. Okay. So we went and got Peanut an ornament for the tree. This is gonna be Peanut. Do you approve, Peanut? What do you think, Morton? Okay. So this is Peanut's ornament. In Pier 1, they had everything Christmas was buy one, get one, half off. Oh, look, he's like super curious now. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this on the tree. She can go. Alright, Peanut has been added to the tree. Also, we got some really nice wrapping paper from Pier 1 as well. So like I said, all Christmas was buy one, get one, half off. And then we went to Bath and Body Works and got some candles. So we got fresh balsam, which smells just like a Christmas tree. Let's see if Morton approves of the scent. Smell good. While you're looking at it. I think he likes the smell of the candle. He approves. Okay, this is Morton approves. Peanut, stop chewing on the tag. Okay, we also got another candle. So one of these is going to go in the entryway, and the other one's going to go on top of our fireplace. Candles were also on sale today for $12.95. Not a bad deal because we went to Yankee Candle, and my favorite Christmas candle is that Yankee Candle, but they're so expensive. It's 29 bucks. So we ended up going across the street to Bath and Body Works, and we got these two. And then Mike picked out a candle. This one's called Flannel, and he likes this one because he says it smells like manly. So I was just like, okay. All right, Morton, you want to smell this one? No? Are you not interested? Come here. No, up here. Okay, you smell the lid? Smell. Do we like this one? Okay, I think he approves of this one too. So we got 3 candles. I think this one's gonna go in our bathroom. And what else? We got some car scent stuff. So we have their little those little car pods. I don't know how you explain it. They like get clipped on your visor. So he ended up getting Frozen Lake. We already opened this one and put it in his truck. And Flannel, the same as the candle. And then I got Winter Candy Apple for my car. And yeah, Bath and Body Works was insane, you guys. Like, I have never had such difficulty navigating a store, but I mean, it's the day after Black Friday. I would expect to see that many people during Black Friday, but it was crazy. So I don't know if it's because of like Christmas is coming up, or if it's because people were going to be out shopping tomorrow, but since there's a blizzard, everybody's trying to get all their outdoor stuff in today. Yeah, what else? Oh, and we also went to Target because we had to go return some curtain rods. So the curtain rods I originally bought to hang up these curtains ended up being too short, so we had to go Morton. He's smelling around in the kitchen. Yeah, so the curtain rods that I originally bought were too short, so I had to go return those. And as we were walking through Target, I was like, "Oh, nice scarf." And he was like, "We didn't come here for that." And I told him, I was like, "Look, when you come to Target, you always get stuff that you didn't come here for." I'm like, "Look at you," because he had like his hands full of stuff that we didn't come into Target for. Granted, it was groceries because we needed that stuff, but it was like random groceries like mayonnaise and bananas and peanut butter. But yeah, I just thought that was funny. So I think I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog because I have a feeling it's going to be pretty long. So I'm going to go downstairs to the Christmas tree. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to go downstairs to the Christmas tree so we can go see what today's gift is. Alright, let's see if we can find number 2. 3, 22, 5, 2. Okay. Alright, number 2. I'm sorry if unwrapping these gifts is really loud. I may have to figure out a way to cut out the audio so it doesn't hurt you guys' ears when you're listening to it. Alright, so number 2 is Tilly and the Buttons, her new stretch book, which is like very popular. I've seen it a lot on social media. Okay. Hi, Pepper. Alright, so like you guys saw, today's gift is the Tilly and the Buttons stretch book. And if you'd like to win this book, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below letting me know what pattern out of this book you would be most excited to sew. And I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Bye.